Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram story without showing their name. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app on my phone. Then we're going to create new story by swiping right our screen. And then I'm just going to choose photo from my gallery. Wait for a moment. I'm just going to choose this one. After that, we can simply click on your story to share this photo to our story. Then wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Alright, just click on your story right here, and I'm going to mention I'm going to tag someone on this story without showing their name. We can simply click on this three dots button right here. Oh, I'm sorry guys. We can simply click on this this three dots button right here. Just click on it, then choose add mention right here, and choose someone that you want to tag on your story. And for example, I'm going to choose this one, or you can search that someone by clicking on search option right here, and after that we can click on add. Okay, and now that someone has been tagged to our story without showing their name. Okay guys, that's how we can tag someone on Instagram story without showing their name. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.